Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up feature store with Feast for offline online consistency, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up a feature store with Feast for offline online consistency, begin by ensuring your environment is ready. Install Feast by running the command pip install Feast. Make sure to have a compatible database such as PostgreSQL or MySQL for your offline storage. For online storage, you can choose a key value store like Redis. Set up your database and key value store, ensuring they are accessible to your application. Create a new directory for your Feast project. Navigate to that directory in your terminal. Run the command Feast init to create a new Feast project structure. This will generate a config file and necessary directory structure. Next, open the feature repository file, feature_repo.py. Define your entities in this file, which represent the items for which you will store features. An entity example could be a user or a product. Now, define the feature views in feature_repo.py. Feature views encapsulate the logic for how features are computed and retrieved. Make sure to specify the offline and online settings for each feature view. For offline storage, you will set up a data source, typically a table in your database. This source should contain historical data for feature computation. For online storage, ensure each feature has a corresponding key in your key value store. Once you've defined your features, it's time to ingest your data into Feast. Use the command Feast apply to deploy your configuration. This command will create the necessary tables in your offline database. Next, import your feature data using Feast ingest. Make sure the data you're importing matches the schema defined earlier. You may need to automate the ingestion process for ongoing updates. With your offline features set, it's time to test online access. Run a feature retrieval command to fetch features from your online store. Verify that the data matches what is in your offline store for consistency. To set up a pipeline for continual updates, consider using a job scheduler. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.